which actually I'm maybe cooking or maybe helping out on. But my father-in-law is making a very traditional, non-traditional dish called Pinapaitan. Traditionally, this is made with, or you can make it with goat. But since we don't have goat, we are making it with beef. So all the beef parts that we're using are in this grill. But he went ahead and boiled all the parts, which is over here, which we're going to be sauteing later on. But what we do have is liver. This is all beef, by the way. So we have beef liver, beef tripe, beef intestine, and we have the heart, beef heart, and just beef meat. In a little bit, we're gonna be sauteing everything and putting it all together and showing you how that's done. So stand by.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So guys, it's been a few hours and we're starting to cook the pinapaitan. But the first thing that we need to do is we need to render the fat out of the intestines. So that's what we're doing now. So the first ingredient that's in the pot is the intestines. And again, we're rendering the fat off of that.
Ready for the next. This is the beef and the heart.
Kasya ba yan? Maliit yung lalagyan natin. Add salt and pepper. Guys, I'm trying to learn how to cook this because my father-in-law is going back to the Philippines in a couple of days. So let me see if I can recreate it, but it doesn't seem to be too complicated. The only complicated part is it has a lot of ingredients. We also have beef bile that gives it that kind of earthy, biley, if you will, flavor. Kumulo na.
Nalabas yun yung taba niya. Yung taba dyan eh.
We are going to add the intestines back in after boiling and rendering the beef meat and the beef heart. At this time, we're also adding in all the whoa, it's a lot of flies. The onions, ginger, garlic. Just to show you guys. Ah, smells good. Smells great, actually. So guys, we have the beef bile. We buy this here locally at the grocery store. It comes in this container right here. We are not, obviously we are not going to use all of this. Maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on your taste. I don't know if you guys can see that. The color, it's green, it's bile.
Pwede dalawang tablespoon. Pwede.
So 1 tablespoon. So maybe we'll try 2 tablespoons for now. And then give it a good mix and also give it a taste.
Okay. Kulang pa.
Kulang pa.
Parang pa.
But I think it needs 1 more. I didn't know it was that potent, guys. The first time I'm learning how to cook this, right? From my father-in-law. I thought you used the whole thing. So guys, we're also using a powdered tamarind soup base mix. This is usually, we use this for a dish called sinigang. But we also use this to give it a sour flavor. Or give this dish a little sour flavor. So I'm just going to use maybe that much for now. You know, everything is to taste. So with this dish, guys, I mean it's an acquired taste. I never used to like this, but I acquired the taste. But everything is in here. It's bitter, it's salty, it's sour, a little sweet. Yeah, so we're gonna add a little bit more water to this because I like it as soup. So obviously you have to adjust all the ingredients again. Like you have to put a little bit more bile, a little bit more of the tamarind powder, salt and pepper. Oh, so we also have tripe, right? Which was boiled already earlier. So guys, next ingredient into the pot is the tripe. And part of the honey, part of the tripe is the honeycomb as well. So our next and final ingredient, well, for the meat part is the liver. Not meat, but liver. So we are only going to put half. I can't wait. Well, I already tasted it. It's not like I haven't tasted it yet, but it's tasting good. Yeah, I tasted the liver, guys. It's still a little bit tough. So we're going to boil it a little more. Allow it to boil a little more. Hey guys, it's getting a little dark. I'm not sure if you can tell from the pero I think it's it looks okay on camera. But we're going to start making adjustments. It's boiling. So let's see what we need to add. I think we need to add everything. So it needs a little more bile. We lost a little bit of our bitterness. We also lost a little bit of our sourness. I'm just gonna put the rest of this, I think. Give this, giving this a good mix. Yeah, we lost a lot of the bitterness, so I'm just adding a little bit more. Of the bile. Yeah, as I mentioned before, guys, the original dish, and this is typical of the northern portion of the Philippines, the Ilocos region. It's usually goat that they use. Fresh goat. But we don't have fresh goat right now. Okay na. We're just gonna let it boil for about 5 more minutes, and I think we're good. And I'll give you guys a look inside when we start eating this. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're done cooking the pinapaitan, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try, and I'll be right back. So guys, we're just going to scoop some. Look at this, look at this. Look at that. Just gonna give it a good mix. There it is. Get our bowl. Some of that soup. Alright. Let's give it a try. There it is, guys. There it is. Look at this glorious, glorious soup. Let's give it a shot. It's hot. Oh, it's good. You can really taste the bitterness. I just put this all together, guys. So I'm not gonna be held responsible if you guys have gout. Okay? Do you like this, Tom? Are you gonna eat this soup?
No, I do not even like it.
Okay. You are? Okay. We'll give you a try. Okay, we'll give it a try. Alright guys, I'm gonna continue to enjoy this soup. I hope you guys like this episode. If you do, please do hit that subscribe button and hit that bell as well.
Hit the like button also.
And again, I'm gonna continue to eat this and hope for the best. It's really, really good now. So guys, again, thank you for watching. And oh, that's hot. That's really hot. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll be back with another video soon. This is John, Foodie A1C. Peace. I am out.